God, guys, within the past few days, we've actually been receiving different kind of comments and also people coming to my inbox telling me that the video we did last, they are unable to remove watermark from the video. And this can be painful sometimes. So I've actually been thinking of what might be wrong. So in the process, I've actually visited Pictory.ai and tried to do it the same way, and I realized that they have actually upgraded their security. So I've actually discovered some other ways we can actually remove watermark, and that's the exact reason why I'm doing this video right now. So during the course of checking the website, I realized that they have actually started forcing any kind of free trial account to have watermark on their video, and this can be painful and disappointing because you just want to understand how the website is, you want to have a feel of how it is to have an upgraded account, and they just have to force you to have watermark on it. So I have no choice but to just think about other ways we can actually get rid of annoying watermark from your video, and this can be one of the best way. So what you need to do right now is to get a pen and paper and ensure you don't skip any part of this process, because this process is premium. If you skip any part, that might be the reason why you are unable to remove watermark from any of your video. Ensure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and do what? Share it to your loved ones. They will really like it. Without wasting much of our time, come on, let's dive in. We'll be starting with a website called media.oi. This is an all-in-one website that offers different kind of media enhancement and also video editing and audio editing. Any kind of media enhancement you need to do for your videos and audios, this website has everything. So what are you waiting for? You can also as well check it out for your audio background noise remover, video subtitle, and of course video watermark remover. So once you're on the website, the first thing you want to do is to sign up for a free account, and you don't even have to waste your time. You can just use your Google already signed in Google account. So what you want to do right now is to just hover your cursor on products, and there's a drop down, and you are going to click on object remover. This will take you to an AI tool. That AI tool now is designed to ensure that you remove any kind of object from either a video or a kind of image. Then click on upload video. Once the uploaded video is processed, the next thing you need to do right now is to just click on add area. Then a crop box will show on the screen, which you can actually drag, move, or resize to actually fit in the watermark area. Once you are sure that the watermark area is selected, the next thing you need to do right now is to just click on remove object now, and this will take you to a kind of download processing platform, a kind of pop-up that's going to start processing your video. So once it is ready, you can now click on the download now button. This will take us to where we can download the video, and your video will be downloaded. Come on, food is ready. Let's check our newly downloaded video. If you are still not satisfied due to the blurry effect that was used to replace the watermark area, then this next method is gonna blow your mind. This is a creative way of doing it offline using Filmora video editor. You know what I'm talking about, right? So this is the kind of video editor we are going to be using in this second method. And what I love most about this is that it gives me more opportunity to do different kind of modification and style to this kind of video. So first and foremost, let's check out the video we are trying to work on. I believe you can see the watermark, right? Let's get to work. Open Filmora and import the video. Once you import the video, you just need to drag it down to the timeline. And once you drag it to the timeline, at the right hand side of the screen, you are going to see a zoom in and zoom out icon. Just click on it to ensure that you zoom in to have a better view of that your clip, so that we'll be able to split it to the right way. Next is to crop the splitted scene. This will give you more opportunity to, pan and crop. And by so doing, you have some other nice visual. By zooming in, zooming out, you see it in a very kind of slow motion way. And it's in also that place, you can also crop it, make it smaller, make it bigger. Just ensure that you make it to the size you like, and this will ensure that there's no watermark. Ensure you crop out that watermark, and this will make sure that the whole view is more interesting and more friendly for the viewers to see. Then you can apply this exact same method to other clips and scenes that are also on that timeline. This will ensure that everything is accurate and every annoying watermark is out of the way. So once you are done with everything and you are very satisfied, the next thing you need to do right now is to just click export at the top right corner of the screen and start exporting. Ensure you export in MP4 format, because that's one standard format that you would not want to miss. I so much hope that this is not too techy or complex for you, but if it does, this third method is gonna be one of the best you are gonna like. It is not free. To get started with that, visit Pictory.ai. Just click on upgrade at the top right corner of the screen, and the next thing they will take you to is their pricing plan. Once you get to the pricing plan, you see different pricing plan. Just select anyone you see. But whichever pricing plan you see or you choose, ensure that the coupon code you are putting there is OLAWAP93. Guess what? This will give you some discount that you never wanna miss. And wait a minute, that's not all. You will also have lifetime access to my video editing course, which worth $25. The first thing you need to do is to upgrade your Pictory.ai account by also using my coupon code OLAWAP93. Once you are done with that, send your name, your email, and of course the kind of plan you opt in for to olawapmedia@gmail.com. Once you do this, I'm going to give you instant and lifetime access to my course, and you know what that means? You are getting $25 for free. And that's just it. If you still haven't watched the video where I display the tips and tricks on how you can actually get a royalty-free video, then the video that just pop up next to me will do justice to that. Ensure you check it out. If you haven't checked that out, then why do you need to remove watermark from a video? So ensure you check it out. See you at the top.